Hi, welcome to Technology Expert World. In this video, I will show you very cool animation with the three boxes which is overlaying on each other. So let's come to the coding. So here you can see the three boxes is rotating one by one, and it's for the minimum amount of time passing, it's overlaying on each other. So that's why I have called it the overlaying boxes animation. So in this video you can see boxes is rotating 360-degree, and here the division and what kinds of division and subclass has written down under the division of the body. So please write down the code carefully, otherwise this program will not run successfully. So if you fall any problem, you can send me your mail on the description or comment section of the video. I will give you the code directly. Thanks for visiting us, and hope you guys learned something new. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.